President John Dramani Mahama, galamsey is destroying Ghana. And it's not only affecting just one family. It is affecting thousands of Ghanaians.
Welcome to this episode of the Political Round with me, the voice, right here on Galamsey TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Mr. Happiness, Sir Abranti or Netherlands. I think he's into a cleaning job or something that or can't send baby or social media. No. Wasam bekasa biom na unim say Mr. Happiness no oyenipa bakwa during campaign no last year ojenemu ye campaign pa ma NDC je say e wonu na adwen mo no se Ghana be year ebenam NDC so for Ghana to become a good nation where we want it to be. And now the world is such a way that everybody has a right to support whoever they feel and think and believe in their policy. And so if that is NDC, fair enough, MPP, fair enough. But say very soon or all too soon, many of them are beginning to realize they made a very, very wrong political choice campaigning for NDC. Now, it is nothing new. It is nothing new, especially about galamsey and Semunde. Nothing absolutely new. As I say, you should have known better. You should have known better because John Mahama, the first 10 years, saying a galamsey be a sempa or mind wimo. The first 10 years. Third time I start to say your team for being to say I shall want in Crusanco for me now excavated idea galamsey in. It was under the presidency of John Dramani Mahama, his first 10 years.
Good evening, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. This is His Excellency Nayib Bukele, the President of El Salvador. When he became president in 2019, El Salvador was the most dangerous country in the world because it had 67,000 gang members who were terrorizing the locals. So homicide was on the rise. As the president and the commander-in-chief of the army, he took a bold decision and declared a state of exception. That is a war between government and the gangs. So as commander-in-chief, on the 16th of May, when one police officer was killed in El Salvador, the president, being the commander-in-chief, Nayib Bukele, unleashed 5,000 military men and 500 police officers to hunt the killers of one police officer. This police officer would have even died naturally. But you see, because he was killed by the gang, the president took a bold decision to send a message to the gang that I am the president. I am the one in charge of the country. And I'm the head of the military. So I'll crack you down. He did it. So today, El Salvador is the safest country on this earth. The president achieved it just by using the military. Because he is the commander-in-chief. Mr. President John Dramani Mahama, galamsey is destroying Ghana. And it's not only affecting just one family. It is affecting thousands of Ghanaians because their livelihoods depend on the forest reserved and the rivers. But the galamseyers are destroying illegal miners. Yet you are doing nothing about it. Erastus Asaridonko wrote this one day ago. He says, so the Forestry Commission and the Enchi police arrested 4 persons who were mining illegally in the Boim River Forest Reserve on Sunday, 23rd March 2025. They impounded 2 excavators found in the forest. They processed them for court and confiscated the equipment. Now the court has granted them bail and given an order directing the Forestry Commission to release their machines to them. The court says the Forestry Commission should allow them to cut their excavators out of the forest to any location of their choice. John Dramani Mahama, gang violence, it does not affect the water of El Salvador. But the president, being the commander-in-chief, used the army to crack down on the gang. That is why today El Salvador is the safest country in this world. Galamseyers are destroying water bodies and forest reserves, of which future generations yet unborn will depend on. And you are doing nothing about it. Yet you have created the gold board. You understand, Mama? Learn from this young man you are older than. He did something extraordinary by using the military to make El Salvador the safest, even though when he assumed it was the most dangerous. You too, John Mahama, as commander-in-chief of the Ghana Army, unleash the Ghana Army to crack down on illegal miners, galamseyers, destroying Ghana's forest reserves and river bodies, which thousands or millions of Ghanaians depend on for their livelihood and even future unborn generations. Learn from your genius, Nayib Bukele. If you want to make Ghana better, cheers. I want to see a better Ghana under your watch.
2012 to 2016. It was for that main reason galamsey be a topical issue for the election of Akufo-Addo. Why do you think say Akufo-Addo first year he started speaking about galamsey? It was because it was something that John Mahama could not fight against. It was a battle John Mahama could not win. That is why it became topical for Akufo-Addo's government. And yemu do na name say Mahama, His Excellency John Mahama no onye nipa bet me win galamsey. He is not even willing to fight against galamsey. As a matter of evidence, NSA Erastus Sasaredonko, he revealed say somebody had told the soldiers to leave the forest and to stop chasing the galamseyers. He's also alleged say the Western North Minister has told Forestry Commission to stop taking the excavators out of the forest. They seize excavators out of the forest. And the NDC government government be able to saw galamsey and all things that come with galamsey. They ascribe to galamsey. Now omu campaign mu kura nkofo bi omu electi they were galamsey kingpins. Omu running mate Prof Jane. She endorsed galamsey. John Mahama Kasano or endorsed galamsey. And to him say NDC government in Nano a galamsey government. So no one should lie to you say NDC Baba fight against galamsey. We are actually it is going to get worse. Galamsey is going to get worse. What we have seen in these 3 months, the way comfortably stop even river bodies from flowing, lakes from flowing, all these ones is going to get worse. Esan say the actual galamsey kingpins, the galamseys, the sponsors of galamsey, they are in power now, and we cannot do anything because we have handed over power to them. They have the power. They can call the military. They can tell the military, go here, don't go here, do this, don't do that, stop this, don't stop that, and all those things. And they are indeed calling the shots. The people who have sponsored their campaigns are the ones calling the shots. And so, interesting days ahead. Galamsey has come to stay at least until MPP comes out to power in 2029. This has been a political round with me, the voice, right here on galamsey TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.